Yo, what's up guys? कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Welcome back to my another video, and in this video I'm going to give you the full review of the Hyundai Grand i10 Neos, the Magna variant. So guys, before starting the video, I want to give a special thanks to Mr. Dilbag Singh because he gave me such a great opportunity to shoot another video in the Hyundai showroom. So let's start our video and quickly have a walk around. Then I will talk to you about the features of the car and why to buy this car and why not. So guys, this is the Grand i10 Neos, and before starting the review or before starting the walk around of the car, I want to tell you something that he is Chote Lal ji, who helped me a lot in my work because he helped me a lot. He manages the car and everything also in the showroom, and also he have already helped me in my more than 2 videos in Hyundai showroom. So thank you for helping me, and now let's quickly have a review of the car. So guys, let's quickly have a walk around of the car. So as you can see, the whole work, the whole look of the car is quite fantastic, and the wider grille has been given to the car, as you can see, and the grille is so fantastic. The whole work is so good. From right to left, you will get a luxurious and stylish car, and here the wider grille has been given. And the best part of the car is that on the grille you will get a DRL at both the side. As you can see, there is also a DRL, and here the massive logo of Hyundai as well. Now let's talk about the headlamps. These are halogen headlamps. On the Magna variant you will get a halogen headlamps as well, no doubt. Now let's talk about this. Here you will not get a fog lamp, as you can see on the Magna variant, for the Magna variant, but for the top model you will get a fog lamp front. Now look at the car. The car is all the way so fine, so fantastic. Now let's quickly get to the side profile of the car. The side profile is also very nice, and a small family car has been given by Hyundai, the hatchback. Yeah guys, the hatchback car is given by Hyundai, and I think this is the second best car in its segment, because at the first you all know which car is, and I will talk to you about that car later on. Let's look at the side profile. So here the tire is these are 165 by 17 R14 tires, which are so fantastic, and you will get a steel wheel here, not the alloy wheels. The alloy wheels is available for the top model, but here you will get a steel wheel. The Apollo tires are available on the car. And if we talk about the suspension, at the front you will get MacPherson straight suspension, and at the rear you will get coupled torsion beam axle suspension at the rear. And if you talk about the brakes, the brake type is the disc brake at the front, and at the rear you will get the drum brake as well. And here the indicator is given, and this is the ORVM of the car, as you can see the ORVM. So let's get closer to the ORVM. As you can see the ORVM, and the side profile is also very nice, as you can see the side work of the car. Now the best part of the car is this also. The Grand i10 is written here to make you realize that which car you are driving on. Also to make this car more stylish, Hyundai have done this work, and Grand i10 is written with the honeycomb texture on this. Now let's talk about the rear of the car. The rear is also so fine, as you can see the roof spoiler is given, and the power antenna is also given at the rear. Now let's talk about more feature at the rear. You will get here the Hyundai badging, and I will talk to you about this later, but Grand i10 is given here, and the badging of Hyundai is given here. And the best part of the car is the Neos is written here, or badging is given here, to make this car different from the other cars. The Neos is different from the Grand i10 only, and this will make the whole design, and the Neos written on the car will make you realize that Neos is parked in front of your home. Now let's talk about more things at the rear. You will get a parking sensor here, and there also the parking sensor is available. And these are the tail lamp of the car, as you can see the tail lamp, and inside the tail lamp there is honeycomb design. As you can see the honeycomb texture is also given, and here the tail lamp is, as you can see. Now let's get inside the car to talk to you about more feature of the car. Now okay, the adjustable headlamps are available in the car. I have not told you about that. And power adjustable ORVM is also available here. You can see the ORVM. Now keyless entry is also available. So now let's get inside the car to talk to you about more feature. Now as you can see, the door of the Grand i10 Neos. As you can see the door here, this is the door opener, and the double tone texture is so fine on this car and so good. Here a small texture has been given, as you can see. We can say honeycomb texture is also given here. To close this door you can just do like this, push pull, and here the window control has been given. As you can see, auto down window control is given here. You can easily keep a 1 liter bottle here, and you can keep small stuff here also. Now this is the speaker with a honeycomb design. As you can see, the honeycomb design, so the double texture on the car makes this car more good. Now let's get to inside the car to talk more about the feature. Now before getting on the front seat, I want to tell you many more features at the rear, so let's get to the rear also. Now look, here the rear door is, as you can see, the double tone texture, and here the window control is given, the door opener closer is given here, and the opener is here. You can keep a 1 liter water bottle here also, and small stuff here. So guys, here the speaker with a honeycomb design. So now let's get inside the car. Oh, I have adjusted the seat. Okay, now look at the seat. The seat is so comfortable and so nice. The design on the seat is so cool and good. You will not get an armrest, that is a fault, but because this is a base model, so what will you how much money you will spend on this car, you will get the best things in this car. Now let's get to the inside the seat. So I will get from there. Now guys, I'm getting inside the rear seat. So guys, as you can see, the seat is so comfortable and so nice. Now let's close the door. So guys, the seat is so comfortable and so good. A decent amount of leg room is given. As you can see, lots of leg room is given. Hence I have not expected with this car that a lots of leg room will be given. As you can see, I can easily slip inside the car, and so comfortable car is this, because as you can see the whole design. As you can see, I can easily put my leg here. A lots of knee room is given. As you can see, a knee room is also given here. Lots of knee room about this. Okay, so lots of knee room is given, and if you look at here, look, a lots of headroom is also given. Lots of headroom is also given, and so comfortable car is this. And if we talk about the thigh support is so good. As you can see, the thigh support is given, and I can, if I am tired of my work, then I can easily slip inside the car. If you are traveling long route travel, you can easily slip inside the car, and if you are getting bored in the car, the features are also so good. Now look at the seat. The honeycomb design is also given on the seat, and the seats are so comfortable. Relaxing seats are available, and this is what the car have. The fabric seats, these are fabric seats, not the leather one, but so comfortable, I must say. And at the rear you will get a AC vent. As you can see, the AC vent is also given here, the best part, and the charging socket is also given here. As you can see, charging socket is also given. Now let's get to the boot also, then I will get to the driver without wasting any time. So guys, now let's open the boot of the car. As you can see, the boot is also quite good. Partial shelf is also given here to keep your luggage, and about 260 liter of boot space is given. According to the comfort of the car, the boot space is quite good, because lots of knee room has been given in the second rows to make the journey comfortable. So that is what the car have, and the boot space is quite smaller, but so good. As you can see, R14 tires are also available here, 165/70. Spare tire is also available. These are steel wheels. 260 liter of boot space is given, and partial shelf is also given. You can keep your luggage and whatever you want to keep. Lots of space has been given. Now let's get to the driver's seat to talk more things. Now here the keyless entry is also given. As you can see, now I have talked about the door. Now let's get to the driver's seat to talk about the car and the feature of the car, then you will get to know what type of car is this. Door open sensor, as I have already told you that a lots of car have this sensor. Okay, now let's talk about the grill of the the dashboard of the car. The dashboard is so modern and so good. As you can see, the dashboard is so classy and modern. Dashboard is given. As you can see, the best part of this car is this, the honeycomb this texture, you can say design, is everywhere in the car. This is what the best part. And look at here, this work. Okay guys, so I want to tell you this thing, that here thing, if you are purchasing the top model of the car, you will get a touch screen here. That is what the car have, but here there is no touch screen. But if think here will be a 8 inches infotainment touch screen for the top model. What a car is this, and what you will get in the car is so luxurious and so fantastic. The whole work is so nice. Okay, so this is the manual transmission, 5 gear speed gearbox. As you can see, the manual transmission and the whole work is so good. Now what I was telling about the seat is this. So the seat is so comfortable. As you can see, the seat is so comfortable and so nice. Lots of knee room is also available. Now this is the steering wheel. As you can see, the multifunctioning steering wheel is also given here. The mode option and volume button, increase and decrease volume button, call pickup and call cut option is also given here. The airbag is also available here, and the sporty power steering wheel is given here, and the Hyundai badging is as well given here. And these are the headlamp control, as you can see, and here the wiper control is also given here. So as you can see, and the digital meter is given here. The speedometer and a tachometer is also given here. A digital meter is given here, and this meter will tell you about the features of the car, like how many kilometer you have driven the car, the mileage of the car, the average fuel economy, and many more features. Now let's talk about this. Here you will get audio, phone, fab, and many more options. As you can see, the whole thing. And this is the AC vent here, which is so good and so good. Here the work is so fine. As you can see, the work is so fine, and there is also a AC vent. Good modern AC vent is given, and modern dashboard is given in this car. Here the AC vent is also given. Now here the AC control has been given, as you can see, and lots of space has been given to keep your phone, USB, and charging socket is given here, as you can see, and the cup holder are given here. 2 cup water bottle holder and cup holder is given here. This space is given for to keep your stuff, and this is the handbrake as well. Now let's open this, and here you will also get some space to keep your luggage and whatever, luggage stuff. Now here a cool glove box is given here. Big massive glove box is given here. You can keep whatever you want to keep. Now look here you will not get a mirror, and here you will get a mirror as well. The holders are also given here and at the rear too, and the light control has been given here. As you can see, lights are not opening. Okay, now here the inside rear view mirror, which is so good. Now let's talk about the profit and the loss in this car. Then only you will get to know why you need to buy this car, or whether you can buy this car or not. Now also this steering wheel is adjustable, so you can adjust the steering wheel. Now the time the steering is locked, so I can't adjust it. Now let's talk about the main reason why to buy the car. So guys, I have shown you the whole walk around of the Hyundai Grand i10 Nios Magna variants. So now let's talk about the car and what will be the profit if you purchase this car. Okay, so look, the first thing I want to show you that the comfort is so good, as I have adjusted the seat and I can easily slip inside the car because the comfort is so good. Look here, I have decrease the height of the car. My legs are on the pedals and I can easily drive if I am tired of my work, so I can also easily drive the car without any effort. Quite a good steering wheel is given, a smooth steering wheel is given, and the seat is also so comfortable. I can adjust the height of the seat. Wait a minute, I will adjust the height of the seat. Also I can adjust the seat also. So this is what the profit in the car, and the car is all the way so good, so I can easily drive this car, and the whole seats are so comfortable. This is what the work has been given here, this work, as I am talking about them, and this is so good. The pilot seats are available in the car. Now let's talk about the best part of the car, that why you have to buy this car. Now this is the petrol variant, the Grand i10 Neos, the Magna petrol variant. Now 1.2 liter Kappa petrol engine is available in this car, which is so fantastic. Now what will be the profit? Okay, so profit, everyone looks at the profit of the car, whether they are getting a profit in the car is no, or not. So let's talk about the power. This car will generate 81 bhp of horsepower at 6000 rpm. As you know, this 6000 rpm is so good also. Now let's talk about the torque. The torque is about 113 Nm of torque at 1600 to 750 Nm rpm, okay, which is also so good. Now let's talk about the transmission. As I have already told you, 5-speed gearbox is available, and manual transmission is available, so which is also a nice feature. The comfortable seats are available. Engine displacement, okay, 1197 cc engine is available in the car. Oh, all the way so fine engine, and so smooth running engine is available. And now what is good inside this car, I am going to tell you that Hyundai have launched the Grand i10 Neos with a stylish, smart design, modern design, and the whole stylish work. The whole work and the features of the car. This car comes with a massive Grand i10 Neos features that I must say. Now look at the car. Everywhere on the car you will get the honeycomb design, as well as I have shown you in the walk around also. So this is what the car have. And if we talk about the smart features of this car, this is the base model. If we get the video of the top model, then I will also talk to you about that. So first thing is the whole dashboard work. Look at the dashboard. I have shown you the dashboard. The whole work is so fine, so good. And as you can see, there will be a touch screen here, so, or this part is the best part of the car, as I have shown you that the touch screen is also so good. Apple CarPlay, Smart Key, and also keyless entry is available. These are the best feature of this car. And about 1.2 liter Kappa petrol engine is also available. That is also so nice. The mileage of this car is about 20.7 kmpl of mileage. That is always so good. Now let's talk about the rivals of this car. Okay, in this segment you will get best cars in this segment, but at the second most position, this is the top second position car, because this is the alternative of Maruti Suzuki Swift as well. Okay, yeah guys, if you don't want to purchase Maruti Suzuki Swift, so you can easily go for the Grand i10 Neos, because this is the alternative of Grand i10 Maruti Suzuki Swift. What if we are getting bored with this Swift? So we can purchase this car because of the work and the mileage and the whole features of this car. Okay, now what will you get and what are the features that are best inside this car? Okay, now what are the disadvantages also? So if we talk about the disadvantages of this car, which are also so good, or we can say that everything have a disadvantage and advantage. So now let's talk about the disadvantage. Okay guys, I have told you that I am going to tell you that the disadvantages of the car. Okay, so there are two disadvantages of the car. The first one is that the Hyundai Grand i10 Neos lacks the best feature, that the car don't have auto headlamp feature, and also the rain sensing wiper that the Ford Figo as this car alternative have. So people can go for it also. But one thing you all know, that in Ford Figo you will not get such a great thing that in this car is. So you will not get such features in this in that Ford Figo, but you will get all that features and more than that features in this car. Okay, let's talk about many more features now. The second disadvantage of this car is this car don't have many safety kit, like 6 airbag is missing in this car, which is also in its alternative. But all the way safety is best measure, but only I can tell you that at the steering you will get a airbag, and there is also a airbag, but at not the rear you will not get a 6 airbag. That is a big reason. But we can't decide everything on the number of airbag that we have to purchase this car or not. We can easily purchase this car whether if you will drive safely, so there is no need of the airbags, and you have the seat belt also. So wear the seat belt and also drive slowly and safely at the road. Don't distract while driving the car. I will must say that drive safely. Wear the seat belt also to protect yourself. Okay. If there will be airbags, and only the airbags can't we can't predict that airbags can protect us from the injuries and many more from the accident. Okay, so there is also a big reason why people are purchasing this car now. Also many things I want to say you, that the resale price of this car, this is the best part, as the car has been launched on August 2019. Only less than 1 year of this car, a great sale has been done. And if you are selling your car, like you have purchased this car, think, just imagine that I have purchased this car and I am so choosy and I want to change my car and I want to purchase a new car, or I want to purchase a Hyundai Grand i20 or i10 as well, but I will not get to the i10, I will get to the i20 sports also. So I want to sell this car and I want to purchase the Hyundai Grand i20. Okay, so I have sold this car, and I have purchased this car in the on 29 August 2019. Okay, less than 1 year. Okay, I have driven this car 1 lakh kilometer, but this is not possible. But we can imagine 1 lakh kilometer, and the car is in fair condition, not at excellent condition, very good condition. One or two minor accidents has been done with this car, like some scratches at the fair condition. Okay, so you will get 50 to 60% price back what I have invested in this car. If I am going to sell this car and my car is in the like fair condition, and I have driven this car about 1 lakh kilometers, and so you will get one if you this is the Magna variant, so I have just spent about 8 lakhs on this car. Okay, so I will get 4 to 5 lakhs back. That is what the best part of this car is. Sorry, the boot has been open. Okay, so this is what the car have. You will get about 5 lakhs back if you are selling this car. So your investment is the best in this car, because your investment in this car will not get to wastage. Your investment will not getting waste. Okay, so this is what the car is, and the best part of this car is the resale price of this car and the feature of this car. Now look at the dashboard. I have already told you about the dashboard. This is the best part. And also, you know, there will be much profit if you purchase this car, because Grand i10 Neos is only made for your family, the best hatchback car in its segment. Okay, so guys, let's talk about many more features. That this is a family car. Okay, 3 people can easily sit at the rear, and 2 people can easily sit here. Which is the best part? This is a hatchback, and I think that this is the best part. This is the best car in its segment, and the features are so good, and the whole design is better than Swift also, and it's alternative too. Because from many days I was trying to get a video of the Hyundai Grand i10 Neos, because from my bottom of my heart I love this car and the whole design, because of the features and the whole design work and this comfortable seat. Because at the driver's seat, on the driver's seat, you will also get a good thigh support, as well as you will get on the rear seat. So that is the best part of this car and the features of this car. And I must say, if you are investing money in this car, and then you will never get lose, you will never going to lose your money, and your money will be saved on this car, because 1 lakh kilometer driven car is also a best, because you will get about 50 to 60% when you are reselling the car also. So I must say, before ending the video, I want to tell you that thing, there is no future of the diesel model in India. Okay, now because people are purchasing, as I have told you, that diesel cars are lesser in India, and they people are not purchasing the diesel variant because of the because of the increasing price, day by day increasing price of the diesel variants. Okay, so the features are also so good, the mileage is all the way so good, and petrol engine is available, and Kappa petrol engine is available, and we all know that how much best the petrol the Kappa engine is, and 1.2 liter engine is available for the petrol. That is the best part. Now guys, that's it for today. I will be back with my another video, and I will give you another review of a car very soon. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video, and also click on the red subscribe button to get and also press the bell icon to get the latest update of any of the car in this world. So गुड बाय दोस्तों, मेरे फेसबुक इंस्टा ट्विटर पेजेस पे जाके मुझे फॉलो कर लें जल्दी से, लिंक जो है वीडियो में ही है, और शोरूम का कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर भी वीडियो में है, तो जल्दी से जाके Hyundai Grand i10 को नियोस को परचेस कर लें अगर आप सोच रहे हैं इसे परचेस करना तो, क्योंकि इसका जो लुक है ऑसम है, और आप कभी भी इस कार के साथ जो है लॉस में नहीं जाएंगे, ना ही ये कार आपको धोखा देगी, क्योंकि मैंने जो आपको सेकेंड हैंड कार की भी प्राइस बताई, तो 1 लाख किलोमीटर चली हुई कार भी आपको जो है 5 लाख में मिलेगी। तो सोचिए गाइस, अगर आप इस पे 8 लाख कर रहे हैं तो आपको सिर्फ 3 लाख रुपीज़ ही कम, 5 लाख रुपीज़ में ही ये कार आप तक वापस दे देगी आपको। दैट इज़ व्हाट द इन्वेस्टमेंट इज़, एंड थिंक अबाउट दिस एंड द होल वर्क। एज यू कैन सी द सीट्स आर सो कंफर्टेबल। सो गुड बाय दोस्तों, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। टिल देन।